Hello, I wanted to just do a quick video and get out to all of you in regard to being able to provide students videos of yourself, either doing a greeting, perhaps reading them a story, something like that. This would be an example of not a live video, but a pre-recorded video that you've done and you then want to embed into a learning plan or on a Google site or Google Slides or something like that. So I'm going to walk you through a free program that is an extension within Chrome that I think is going to be fairly easy for all of you to use and to get a link from. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have Google Chrome up. The first thing we're going to need to do is add the extension to your account. So you're going to go to the Chrome App Store. If you don't have this shortcut that I do right here, just Google Chrome Web Store. Okay, and you're going to get here, or you can get to it from here as well. So I'm going to go here, and the name of the extension that we are going to add is called Screencasify. So it's Screencast and then Ify, so IFY. So this is the name of it right here. I'm going to type that in and hit return, and here it is. Okay, so all you're going to do is say add to Chrome. So I'm going to click on this blue add to Chrome, and it's going to add the extension. So I'm going to say add. You can see it down here, it's downloading. So we're going to give it a minute. And you can see that it has been added right here to my Chrome account. Okay, so now that it's added, I am ready to work with it. So I am now just going to kind of walk you through how to use it and how you would then embed it into a plan. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to close this. I'm going to open a new tab and I am going to open my Screencasify extension. And as you can see, it opens a new window and it's going to take you through these steps the first time that you use it. You have to first make sure that this says automatically save videos to Google Drive. Make sure that that is toggled on and it should default to that. But that's going to really help you just house your videos in one place and give you a link right to your drive. I'm going to make sure that's on. I'm just going to say sign in with Google. Again, you should only have to do this once your first time. It's going to take you through a little setup, and this is mostly just making sure that you have the proper permissions. So you want to make sure that you have your camera and microphone on and the drawing and annotation tools. Go ahead and say allow. Click allow here as well. And then it's going to take you here and it basically says you are ready. Okay, so now I'm going to start recording. So let's say that I have a Google Slides plan learning as part of a learning board for one of my students, and I just want to send them a greeting explaining a little bit about what distance learning is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on my Screencasify extension. When I click on it, it's going to bring up a little window and it's going to say, okay, what do you want to use? I want to call your attention to this first. There is a 5-minute limit per video. You can upgrade. I really don't think that a lot of people's videos would be longer than 5 minutes. So for right now, just know that what you're recording is going to be no more than has to be no more than 5 minutes. Okay. In this particular case, I'm going to just use my webcam only because it's just going to be a video of me. So I'm going to click on webcam only. You shouldn't have to necessarily always adjust these after you do it the first time. We're going to use the internal default microphone from our computer. Okay, and we're also going to use the default camera. So those should just be already there available for you. Your computer should recognize those. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record. It's going to take me to a screen. I'm just going to then start recording my message. Good morning. I miss you all. I'm so excited for us to start this distance learning together. And I'm just going to hit stop. So after I've recorded my video and I hit stop, you're going to see it's going to open another window. And what's really cool about it and why I like this, I'm going to say skip tour. See how I just have copy shareable link? So here's my video right in here. Now I can just copy this right into wherever it is that I want to put it, whether it's in my learning plan, whether it's in a Google site, whether it's in a Google Slides, whatever it might be. So I'm going to say copy shareable link. Okay, so now my link is copied. And what's kind of cool is it's automatically also going to put your videos right into your Google Drive. So now remember how I got that link? Okay, now I'm going to show you, I am going to go out to just a Google slide that I'm working on for a student, okay? And what I might do is embed right in here that video, and I might just say, hey, click this video to get a message from Mrs. Schwab. So I'm going to say, click here to see Mrs. Schwab. Okay, and there's a couple of different ways we can do this. But I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to go up to my little insert link. And now all I'm going to do is just paste, because remember, this page over here, I copied my shareable link. Now over here, I'm just going to paste it and hit apply. Okay. So this is where I'm choosing to embed the video right here. So now when my student goes to do this, okay, see how it embedded that video right into my slide? I can now click on this and they are going to see me giving my little video. So okay, so there's my video, okay? So that's how easy it is to put it into a Google slide. Now I'm going to show you how to put it into a Google site, or even how to put it into just a learning board, okay? So forgive me for a moment while I or just try to find whatever it is that I'm looking for here in terms of my Google site. So here's an example of a Google site that a teacher is working on for a student. And what I'm going to do is just go here and I'm going to say, right down here, I want to embed a video. I have a couple different ways to do that. I can again go to my insert link. This is my Google site right up here. I'm going to go to insert link, paste, apply. Okay, here is that video. And I could say again, click here to see Mrs. Schwab's video or whatever it is, or click here to see Mrs. Schwab reading the story. Okay, I could do that. Another thing I could do with the Google site is I could come over here and I could embed it. That would mean that they'd see a picture of the video too. So I can go embed, I can paste it. Remember, it's that same URL. I can insert, and here it is. So now within my students' Google site, they can click here, and it would then take them out to my video that I did. Okay, and here we go. So there's the URL. Okay, that's how to put it into a Google site. If I had just a learning plan, so I am going to try to find a learning plan that somebody has shared with me. So here's an example of a learning board. Okay, what I might do is go here and say watch this video, and as you can see in this particular teachers, they already have this video embedded. Okay, so I'm going to show you how they did that. So she said watch this video. Okay, I'm going to take this word video and I'm going to do the same thing that I did in my Google Slides. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to click on this little insert link. I'm going to paste it and apply. And now this video is right in my learning plan for my student as well. And when they click on it, there I am again. Okay, so that's 3 different ways that you could use the extension Screencasify to be able to video yourself so that students can see you. And there's lots of different ways, lots of different options. I've seen teachers doing it to read books. I've seen teachers doing it for calendar. I've seen teachers doing it just to explain this distance learning thing. Lots of different options. So if you have any questions, remember Ange and Wendy and myself are all here for you during this time. Please reach out to your AT specialist to get more information. Thank you so much.